Good morning and welcome to 2022. And with that comes a new review format. Review with a brew point of view. So I'm going to walk you around this car in about 3 minutes. This is the Skoda Enyaq. It's fully electric. It's built on the MEB platform and it's got some rather cool design language. The Skoda Enyaq looks amazing. Look at the proportions. Look at that sloping roofline, and yeah, that does not affect the headroom in the back. Near 50-50 weight distribution, and interestingly, it's rear wheel drive. Lots of packs, lots of options, including an AR heads-up display. How crazy is that? Comes standard with LED lights, but you can go for the matrix. You can get a crystalline front with LEDs in the actual grille. Rather futuristic. However, as far as an electric car goes, I think this looks pretty cool. It's not overly radical and it's got everything you need. There's a range of powertrains, so 60 kilowatt per hour and 80 kilowatt per hour. As for miles per kilowatt, you're looking 3 to 4, depending on which model you go for. This is in the suite, £45,000. Electric seats, lots of room, and you can choose from your interior. Lots of recycled materials in this car, including I think it's 40% steel. Now that is one diddy cluster, but on the left of it, look at the infotainment screen. That's 13 inches, so a decent size. Lots of information on there, Apple CarPlay, DAB, and you can set some of the car's settings. And of course, satellite navigation. It's -1 today, so it's a bit chilly. Materials, very cool. This is soft, this is plush. At 6'3", I can sit in it absolutely no problem. And there's no privacy glass. Moving to the back. Some simply clever features, including the picnic tray, that's on the family pack. And look, a little pocket for your smartphone. Pull down armrest and some rather nice interior bits, including blinds. Lots of room, front or back. Decent room, look at that. Place to store your Elecki cables. Speaking of Elecki, it does rapid charge, and it will rapid charge up to 125 kilowatt per hour. Standard, they're 50, but you can upgrade. Lots of storage and retractable tow bar. And I think this is a nifty idea. These lights shine right into the boot as you open it. Very cool. Range 330 miles. If you go for the 60, it's about 285, I think. So there you go, the Skoda Enyaq. If you want to know more, watch our full review. Oh yeah, the range starts at around 40 grand.